guys. So today we're gonna teach
Hello, guys.
on how to sneeze properly and not spread any germs. Okay? So if you do this achoo like that, right?
Yeah.
You will spread all the germs, and then if someone touches it, they have the germ. And then if you cover it like this, achoo, right?
Right.
You also you also give the germs to your hand, okay?
Hello, guys.
You give the germs to your hands, okay? Right?
What?
And then and then when you forget to wash your hands, and then you eat with your dirty hands that you just sneezed on it, then it's just gonna give you the germs that you spread it out, right? Yeah. So the best way to do this is doing covering your mouth with your elbow. Yeah? Okay. So like this, Mimi, demonstrate on how to do like this, okay? Like this, and then sneeze. Achoo.
Okay.
Yes, good girl. So this method is way better. So achoo, and that is correct, and then achoo is not correct, and achoo is also not correct. Okay?
Okay.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you found this helpful.
Hi, guys.
Please share this with your kids and family.
Hi, guys.
Thank you, guys. Bye.